Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Only 5% of students got full marks on this Edexcel GCSE maths paper. But after watching this video, you will be one of them. Today I am breaking down the 2024 Edexcel GCSE maths paper step by step. No shortcuts, no confusion. Just clear logic and smart tricks that actually works in exam. So grab your paper and let's see how many marks you can score with me. Now here the question 1 is, write the number 18475 correct to the nearest thousand. You can see that we have 18475. So nearest thousand means this is 18,475. Focus on this 4. You can see that 4 is less than 5. So we cannot round greater than, it will cannot become 5. So 8 cannot be round off. It cannot become 19,000 since 4 is less than 5. So we will write the solution of this as, since 4 is less than 5, so we round off it as 18,000. So this will be the final answer. And this question 1 contain 1 marks. So if you solve this like this, so you can easily obtain 1 marks. Now we will solve question number 2. That is write 0.3 as percentage. So we will solve this in a very easy and simple way. So write the solution as, write 0.3 as percentage means multiply by 100%. So we will remove this decimal. In point of this decimal, we will write 1 in the fraction and number of digits after this decimal are 1. So we will write only 1 0. Now this 0 is cancelled out by this 0. And we got 3 multiplied 10%. It's mean final answer will be 30%. So total marks for question 2 is 1. So if you write this as, you will obtain the 1 marks. Now we will solve the question 3. Now here the question number 3, write down the mathematical name for the type of angle marked as y. So you can see this angle is more than 180 degree. This angle is more than 180 degree. You can see the diagram. So there are some results you have to remember. First is, if your angle is less than 90 degree, then we say that angle is acute angle. If angle equals 90 degree, it's mean right angle. And if angle lies between 90 and 180 degree, so we will say that angle will be obtuse angle. Value of angle is lies between 90 and 180 degree. But if our angle is greater than 180 degree and less than the 360 degree, we will say that our angle is reflex angle. So in this question you can see that our angle is more than 180 degree. So we will write the final answer that our angle is reflex angle. Answer will be reflex angle because our angle y is greater than 180 degree. Now this is a solution of question number 3. Now we will solve the question number 4. Now here the question number 4 is write the numbers in order of size, and you have to start with the smallest number, and the numbers that are given are 0.21, 0.2, 0.03, 0.1 and 0.16. Now first of all I will write these number in up to 2 decimal. This will be 0.21, 0.20, 0.03, 0.10 and 0.16. So smallest number will be, so we will write smallest to greatest. It means that first of all we will write 0.03, then 0.10, then 0.16, then 0.2 and 0.21. So now we will solve the question number 5. Now the question number 5 is find the square root of 64. So we will take the LCM of 64. You can see that it is divided by 2. Then we will write square root of 64, that equals square root of 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So it will become 2 square multiply 2 square multiply 2 square. All of them are cancelled out by 1 by 2 because square root always equals 1 by 2. So then we get 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that equals 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 will be the answer. Now we will solve question number 6. Now here the question number 6, Ryan buys 4 cakes for 1.30 each. 2 identical tins of soup. Ryan pays with a 10 euro note. He gets 1.80 change. How much does pay for each tin of soap? Now, first of all, we see that he buys 4 cakes and price of each cake is 1.30 euro. So we will multiply 4 multiply 1.30. Then 2 identical tin of soups, he buy 2 soups and we don't know the price of each one. So let we consider the price of each is X. And the total amount will be 4 multiply 1.30 will be 5.20 and 2 multiply X will be 2X. Then we see that he gives total 10 euro. So 10 minus equals what the price is, 5.20 plus 2x. This is the price and he gives 10 euros. So he gets the change of 1.80. Now we have to find the value of x. We will arrange this equation as 10 minus 1.80 minus 5.20, that equals plus 2x, because it will be minus 2x, then it goes to the right hand side, it will become plus. So now we will subtract this. So 10, we have 10, 1.80, 5.20. We will subtract this. 0. Now here is, it will be 10 minus this one will be, first we add both of them, then we subtract this, 5.20 and 1.80. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 7. 7.00, so 10.00 minus 7.00, it will becomes 3.00. So 3.00 equals 2x. Now it's mean to find the value of x, it will be divided by 3. So x equals 1.50. So this is the final answer, that the price of each will be 1.50. So this is the answer. Now this easiest question contains 4 marks. If you understand the situation of this question, statement of this question, you can easily solve. I repeat this again, that first of all you see that he buys 4 cakes and you know the price of each one. You will multiply 4 by 1.30, you get 5.20. So this is the price of cakes. Now he buys 2 identical soups, but you don't know the price of each one. So you will consider price of each soup is x, then multiplied by 2. So the total amount he pay is 10 and get the change of 1.20. So if you subtract the price from the amount he give to the shopkeeper is 10. 10 minus this and the change in return is 1.80. By simplification of this, you have to arrange the like terms like 10, 5.20 and 1.80 are the same kind of terms. And the 2x have no pair, so it will goes to the right hand side. Here it is subtracted, then it will be added. So you can see the value of x, that is 1.50. Now we will solve the question number 7. Now here the question number 7, table shows that Lina and Powell worked on 4 days last week. So you can see that number of hours on Wednesday 6 and 7, on Thursday 9 and 6, on Friday 8 and 5, and Saturday 6 and 6. You have to draw the table for this. So we will make a table or a graph. So draw a graph for this one. Shape of the graph is like this. We will draw in a small form. So here we write the values. Number of hours are, maximum is 9. So and the minimum is, when we add, we have to add both the values here. So this is 12, then 8 plus 5 is 13, 9 plus 6 is 15, 6 plus 7 is 6 and 6 12, and then 13. So here we write the days, here we write the numbers. It will start from 12, for example 12, no, it will be from 2. This is 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, or we take the difference of the 5. Let's suppose I again draw this as, this is 0, then consider this is 5, equal distance, this is 10 and this is 15. So here this area represent the Wednesday, this represent the Thursday, this represent the Friday, and next this represent the Saturday. These represent the days, and this side represent the hours total that are utilized in work. So on Wednesday total number are 13. So 13 will be between 10 and 15. Like suppose this is the 13. So we will draw this as. Now the next one on, that is 15. So 15 is like this, corresponding to this is for Thursday. Now for Friday it is again 13, and on Saturday it is 12, so it is between the 5 and 10, 15, greater than 10 and less than 13, so round about this is 12. Now we can see that we use two colors. For Lina we use green color, and for the other person we use the red color. Now for green color, 6, so this will be 6, 5, it will be this one. So we will represent this with the green color. This represent the Lina, and the for other one, that is 7, so red represent the remaining. Now for the second one, that is 9 and 6. So first for red we will use 6. On Thursday that use 9. So red color, green color will represent 9, that is less than 10. And the remaining 6, total is 15, so remaining 6 will represent the other person work. Now next is 8, so it is between 5 and 10, and remaining is 5, so it will be by this. Next is 6 and 6, half. So this is the diagram you have to draw between them. Now also mention that how you solve this. This is green and the other one is red. Now we will solve the next question, question number 8. Now in the 8th question, OA, OB and OC. O is in the center, are the straight line angles. You have to find the value of x. Now first of all you will rewrite what is the total angle of a circle. So you know the total angle of a circle is always equals 360. So you know that 360 degree is the total angle. You have to find the value of x. It's mean you will add 220 and 90. 220 plus 90. That equals 310. And you have to find the value of x. So 360 minus 310, that equals 50 degree. So also you have to write the reason in the B part. He said that. What is the reason behind this? So angle at a point add up to 360, because when we solve this we can easily get angle that will be total is 360. So this will be the final answer. Now we will solve the question number 9. Now here the question number 9, here is a number machine. This is a number machine. You will input some number, then multiply that number and then subtract 10 from that number and get the output. He said that work out the output when the input is 13. First of all, input is 13. You will write, this will be as input equals 13. Then 13 multiplied 2, that will be 26 minus 10. gives output. 26 minus 10 means 16. So output will be 16. Now here is also the B part in which he changed the results. In the B part he said that you will solve the B part as work out for the output. You have to find the output. You have to find the input when output is 28. It's mean that your answer is given, that is 28, and input, let's suppose x multiply 2 minus 10. This is the question. So you will solve this as, here this is subtracted, it will add it. 28 plus 10, that means 38. Here remaining is x minus 2. Now this 2 is multiplied, it will be divided. So x equals 38 divided by 2, that is 19. So x equals 19. Now here is also a C part. Now you have to guess a number that there is a number for which the output is same as the input. Let's suppose input is x multiplied by 2 minus 10 also equals x. Now x is multiplied by 2, that is 2x minus 10 equals 10 x. Now we will solve this as 2x minus x and minus 10 will be plus. 2x minus x is x, so x equals 10. When we substitute, the value of this is 10. 10 multiplied 2 is 20. 20 minus 10 again gives 10. So it's mean that when x equals 10, you see that input equals output. Means 10. So this easiest question contains 5 marks. Now we will solve the next question, question number 10. Now question number 10 is, cows are in a farmhouse are 24 and the sheep are 36. You have to find the ratio. So you will write solution as cows ratio sheep. Cows are 24 ratio 36. Now divide them with the same. So you can see 12 2s are 24. I divided by 12 both of them. And 12 3s are 36. So answer is 2 ratio 3. So this easiest question contains 2 marks. You have just divided by the same table. Now we will find the question number 11 as, first A part of question 11 is minus 12 divided by minus 4. Very easy and simple. That minus 12 divided by minus 4. It's mean that minus 12. So answer is 3. Now there is a B part of this question, that find the value of of 2 raised to power 5. So we will solve this as 2 multiply 5 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 32 is the answer. Now we will solve C part of this question. Now here is the question 11. C part, write one pair of brackets to get the correct answer. So if we give it 3 possibilities, first is 30 divided by 3 plus 2 minus 4. This is the equals what? Other one is 30 divided by 3 plus 2. Take this and then minus 4 equal to, and here is the third one possibility, that 30 divided by 3 plus 2, 4 equals 2. Now we will solve this. First of all, 30 divided by 3 gives 10. So 10 plus 2 minus 4 means 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8 is not equal to, so this is the not right bracket. Now 30 divided by 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 30 divided by 1 will be so according to the mass rule, 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 minus 2, 4, that is 2. Now the third one is 30 divided by 3 plus 2, that is 5. So 5 minus 4, or the third bracket we change this as 2 plus this one. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So this will be according to the mass rule if we solve this. So this will be 10, then 10 minus 2 will be 8. So that not equals 2 because this equals 8. So you can see this bracket is correct only, because when we solve this according to the mass rule, first we solve the bracket 5. 30 divided by 5, that gives 6. So 6 minus 4, that equals 2. Now we will solve the question number 12. Now in question 12, there is a triangle and this is a rectangle. And the 3 sides are given for the triangle and the 1 side for rectangle is given. You have to find the length of this rectangle, and also given that perimeter of this triangle is 1 by 4 of the perimeter of the triangle. So we will solve this as according to the formula of perimeter, that is for rectangle is 2 multiply length plus 2 multiply width, that is given 4. You have to find the value of L. So 1 by 4 multiply perimeter of rectangle mean 36 plus 14 plus 30. We will add all the sides in finding the perimeter. So 2 multiply, this is 2L plus 8. And when we solve this, 36 plus 14, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. 80, 4 ones are 4 and this is 20. So 2L equals 20 minus 8, that is 14. So L equals 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So the length will be equals 20 minus 8 will be 12. So 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. Its mean length equals 6 centimeter. Now we will solve the question number 13. Now question number 13. Notes in wallet are only of 10 euro and the 13 euro. You have to find the probability that a person take the value more than 5. So the solution of this, the probability will be 1 because both notes are more than 5. That's why the probability will be 1. Now we will solve the other. to find the B part, you have to find the probability of one coin. So it's mean that in the B part, question is find the probability that now in the B part, the value of one P coin equals the value of two P coins, and someone takes a random coin from the bag. You have to find the probability of taken one coin. So you know that the value of one coin is equals the two coin, and it's mean that we get this as value of one P coin equals total number of equals value of two P coins, that equals 40. So 40 is divided by 2, so we get 20. So 1 P coin probability is 20 divided by 1, that means 20, and 2 P coins probability is 20 is divided by 2, that means 10. So it's mean that you have to find the total probability of 20 by total number of coins are 30. So that will be 2 by 3. So this is the final answer. And this question contains 3 marks. Now we will solve the next question 14. Question 14 is work out on 273 multiply 54. This is very simple. 4 3s are 12, 7 4s are 28 and then 29, 4 2s are 8 and 10. Then 5 3s are 15, 7 5s are 35 36, 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13, 9 plus 5, then it will be 14. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the remaining question from question number 15 to question number 28. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.